Hey everyone, Lindy Lou Parker with Virtual Bookkeeping Professionals here. Are you a new or existing bookkeeper that just started your business, maybe within a year, 2 years possibly, and you're experiencing a little bit of imposter syndrome still? If you're looking for a way to gain experience and confidence while maximizing your profit and growth, you are in the right place and this message is for you. I actually have been mentoring bookkeepers for some time now, and I'm finding that that is missing in the industry, that there's a lot of bookkeepers out there that's starting out, they don't have much experience, and so they're not sure if they're doing it right. So I found that was missing, and I am going to help fill that gap in those things that you're needing. So on July 12th, I am launching, officially launching my 6 Pillars to Success for Bookkeepers and Accountants live group training. What you're going to get with that is 6 months of intense strategies for rapid growth while gaining confidence and experience in your business, and also done for you templates. There's going to be lifetime access to the 6 Pillars to Success and QuickBooks Online hacks and strategy video series. You're going to have 1 weekly live group Zoom training with the 6 Pillars to Success. And then you're going to have, which covers marketing, it covers every hat that you need to wear in your business. Okay. Then the other call, weekly call, is going to be focused on shadow training with real live experiences. And that way you can gain that experience and confidence. So if you're getting stuck on something using QuickBooks and you're not seeing, maybe you're not really recognizing the messes and you're underquoting, I'm going to teach you how to look into QuickBooks, how to dig in, how to figure things out, any problem you can. I'm going to teach you to fix any problem that you possibly can run into in QuickBooks. Okay. That way you can carry that along with you and you can feel confident that you're quoting properly, especially when you have messes to clean up. So that is huge, 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 huge. You're always going to have me in your back pocket. So that weekly call is going to be kind of like a reverse shadowing. Like I'm going to walk you through it and teach you hands-on how to dig in and how to do that so you remember it. You're going to have 24/7 unlimited support, members only Facebook group, 90 days of free subscription to an amazing software that you can build a website in there, you can do your CRM in there, you can do your calendars in there. There's a ClickFunnels, like ClickFunnels. It's not ClickFunnels, but it's like ClickFunnels. You can build funnels, you can build website, you can build forms. It's replacing text and call automation, emails. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. And I'm going to give you the 90-day subscription to that. If you go directly to high level, you're going to end up getting a 14-day trial. I purchased resale rights for this so I can provide it for you guys. So it's awesome. You get 1 year access to members only Facebook group, 1 year access to members only Zoom trainings for continuous learning. So that Zoom call every week, you can jump onto those anytime if you need continuous training on that. I do have some good news and I do have some bad news. Let's do the bad news first. Bad news is I only have 10 to 15 slots. I can only bring on so many people into this group. So the seats are limited, and so you want to jump on board as soon as possible. So if you've done a strategy call with me already and you've been waiting for an opportunity to be able to work with me at a lower price rate and have now's the time. Now's the time to jump on board, okay? And the good news is that I'm going to be running the beta test launch and you're going to be receiving a discounted rate. So again, those of you who have been waiting for this moment, now's the time. Jump on. And if you have not had a strategy call with me yet, you'll want to click in the comments below. There's a link to my calendar, schedule a strategy call. You're going to want to do it before this weekend. I'm going to open up my weekend so that I can do as many strategy calls as I possibly can. It's going to be just for that day, just for a strategy call. So book it up like crazy if you want to have an invitation to join this group, beta test group. So the other thing is, if you have already done a strategy call, I have your information. Just send me a quick PM and I will get on a call with you and let's see if we can get you on board. So again, the link is in the comments below. Schedule your free strategy call. Do it now, do it fast, because it's going to fill up quickly. I'll see you on the other side.